Ever paid for an oil change and thought, "That's it"? Today you're doing it yourself, clean, confident, and without the mess. By the end, you'll know exactly which oil and filter to buy, how tight to torque everything, and how to dispose of used oil the right way. Welcome to Journey Auto. You'll need a jack and stands or ramps, wheel chocks, gloves and safety glasses, a drain pan with a spout, a funnel and rags, the correct socket and a torque wrench, an oil filter wrench, a new crush washer for the drain plug, the correct oil and filter, and a little brake cleaner for cleanup. Choosing the right oil is simple. Match 3 things from your owner's manual or underhood label: viscosity, specification, and type. Viscosity looks like 0W20 or 5W30. Use what your manual calls for. Specification means the approval your engine needs, like API/ILSAC ratings, GM Dexos, or VW/Audi approvals. Use oil that lists your exact spec. Type is conventional, blend, or full synthetic. Full synthetic resists heat and breakdown best, and is a smart choice for most modern engines. For filters, identify whether you have a spin-on canister or a cartridge element. Choose a quality brand with a good anti-drain back valve and proper fitment. Don't oversize the filter unless you've confirmed clearance and the correct bypass pressure. Safety and prep. Park on level ground. Chock the wheels and set the parking brake. Never get under a car supported by a jack alone. Use stands or ramps. Warm the engine for 3 to 5 minutes, then shut it off so the oil flows but isn't too hot. Pop the hood and loosen the oil fill cap to help it drain. Position your drain pan slightly behind the drain plug. The oil will shoot out in an arc before dropping. Put on gloves. Break the drain plug loose, then finish unthreading it by hand and pull your hand away quickly to avoid a splash. Let the oil drain until it slows to a steady drip. Wipe the plug clean and install a new crush washer. Do not use thread tape on drain plugs. Move the pan under the oil filter. For a spin-on filter, loosen it until the gasket breaks seal and let it drain for a few seconds, then remove it and keep it upright to avoid spills. For a cartridge filter, use the correct cap socket, remove the housing carefully, swap the paper element, and replace the O-ring with the new one from the kit. Lightly oil new O-rings and gaskets so they don't pinch. Install the new filter. For a spin-on, wipe the mounting surface clean, lightly oil the new gasket, spin it on until the gasket touches, then tighten by hand an additional 3/4 of a turn. If your filter provides a torque value, follow it. For a cartridge, seat the new element, fit the new O-ring in the correct groove, and torque the cap. Reinstall the drain plug. Always start it by hand to avoid cross-threading. Then torque it to spec. Typical drain plug torque is 20 to 30 lb-ft, or 27 to 40 Nm. Some aluminum pans are lower, around 18 to 22 lb-ft. Check your manual. Typical cartridge cap torque is 18 to 25 lb-ft, or 25 to 34 Nm, and many caps have the value printed on them. Spin-on filters are generally hand-tight plus 3/4 of a turn unless your manufacturer gives a specific torque. Refill with oil. Insert a clean funnel and pour in about 80 to 90% of the engine's listed capacity. Reinstall the fill cap. Start the engine for 10 to 15 seconds to fill the new filter and oil passages, then shut it off. Check the oil level. Wait a minute for the oil to settle. Pull the dipstick, wipe it, reinsert it fully, then pull it again and check the level. Top up to the upper mark without overfilling. Look underneath for leaks at the drain plug and filter. If you see a weep, snug the fastener to the correct torque and wipe the area clean so future checks are easy. Reset your oil life monitor or maintenance reminder according to your vehicle's menu or manual. Record the date, mileage, and what you used. After a short test drive, recheck the dipstick and look once more for any seepage around the plug and filter. Clean up and dispose of used oil properly. Pour the old oil from the drain pan into the empty oil jugs with a funnel and cap them tightly. Let the old filter drain face down into the pan for a few hours, then bag it. Take the used oil and the filter to an auto parts store or municipal recycling center. Most accept them for free. Never dump oil in the trash, on the ground, or down a drain. Store used oil sealed and out of reach of kids and pets until you drop it off. That's an oil change done right. No mess, no guesswork. You matched the correct oil and filter, torqued everything properly, and handled disposal the responsible way. If you found this helpful, follow Journey Auto for more clear, confidence-building car care.